Hi, this is Sama Mahmood. I'm doing this video as a demonstration in my graduate software design course at Drexel University. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate the final project blockchain simulator. Project runs with the command npm start. When we initiate the project, it goes to the bin directory. It goes to the current folder and then bin folder and then this file. So this is a JavaScript file, though it doesn't have the .js extension. What we're doing here is we're setting the port to 3000. So get the port for the environment, but if the port is not available, then hard code the port to 3000. Then we're running a server saying I have to listen to the port, and then we finish listening, call the functions. That's all is happening here. So let's look at let's go to a browser and launch localhost. Okay, so first I'll show some of the error handlers. If we want to create a new transition from LN to LN, it will say please enter an amount. Let's enter 10 bitcoins. It will say user cannot transfer amount to himself. And then if we say from LN to brace, but a negative value, it will say please enter an amount greater than 0. So let's initiate a real transition from LN to brace, 10 bitcoins, submit. Okay, so I actually changed the transition manner as you suggested. So now, as you can see, Alan has 0 balance. So whenever the sender initiates a transaction, it goes to the miner. So in our program now, I gave all the 6 users 100 bitcoins. So everyone has 100 bitcoins, and whenever someone wants to send some bitcoins to other user, it goes to the miner, and then it asks the miner, can you send Grace 10 bitcoins? And then whenever the miner approves this transition, then the miner get 10% as a mining reward. And we can change it in here. If we select 1, it's 10%. If we select 2, it's 20%. If we select 3, it's 30%. But for now, let's stick to 1, so it's 10%. So if we initiate this transition from LN to brace, 10 bitcoin, we submit it. Now let's select a miner, Justin, and if we submit it, we the current chain 1 total transition, and then you can see Alan has 89, Justin has 101, and Brace has 110. So why Alan has 89? Because 10% of 10 is 1. So Justin got 101 and Alan got 89. So this is how this works. Now, if I want to do from 10, the same thing, from Alan to base, 10, submit. Now you can see it's the same thing, and now change it to the say Henry, submit. Now Alan has $78 bitcoins, and Henry and Justin both has 1 and 1, and Brace has 120. Now if we look at the command prompt, it shows in the command prompt all the things we did. First, we started the project. It started over here, and then we initiate a transition from LN to brace 10, and then we have 6 users. So first, block mine successfully. Miner is Justin, and then we initiate the second transition over here, and then this time block mine, but the miner is Henry. So now let's change the mine blockchain to 3. So it will reset the whole program, and now the mining reward is 3. So if we go here, you can see it reset to 3 right here. Okay, so now if we initiate from align to raise, 10 Bitcoin, submit, and select the miner as Steve, submit, total transaction 1, and then Alan has 87, and the miner has 3 Bitcoins, and Brace has 110. So that's how it works pretty much. So let's look at the project structure. For some reason it's not working. There you go. Okay. So I already talked about bean folder. The data folder is pretty much straightforward. We have the list of the users. The libraries contains 2 JavaScript files, block.js and blockchain.js. So these are the files we're gonna share between the controllers. Node module got created, the whole folder got created whenever we install the Express framework. The public folder, we have all the public data, images, JavaScript, and style sheet. Style sheet contains the unique style of our app. JavaScript is the front-end JavaScript code. So that's the public folder. The routes folder is a very important folder. Here functions are called from JavaScript. If we look at the index.js, so it's really simple. It's saying I'm going to require Express, and then I'll create a router, and I'm going to say router.get that, and then I'm going to export that. So this line is important, the export line, because in app.js says I require this file somewhere here. Yeah, I require this file. Whatever is returned by the require function is assigned to routes. So the same thing happened for the rest of the routes files. So the view folder, Node is a server side, Node is a service side JavaScript. So it does run on client. It doesn't run on your browser. It runs on the server in the backend. So Express along with Node help you serve pages. So View Engine is a templating engine. What it does is it takes HTML file and allows us to export stuff inside the HTML file. So that's what under View. Then if you look at app.js, this is at the root of our project structure, but this is outside the project structure. The first couple of lines are saying all the imports. So it's saying I need to import all these modules. And then it's saying I'm going to record these files and then initialize Express module, and it create the view engine, and then rest of it is your handlers. So that's pretty much it about the folder structure. Hope you like my project. Thank you for watching it.